Alright, hi everyone. We just buy the Lumary permanent outdoor light with around like 118 feet. It looks so beautiful.
16 million colors.
Yeah, okay. Let's unbox and see what inside. Yeah, let's see the installation step. Yeah, so it's come with a 6 packet and it can come connect together, and it's have a the surface, and then we have a like the 3M sticker, then this can stick very strong. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so for the installation, it's so easy to do it. Trust me, you just need to take around like 30 minutes to put everything on the roof, like what I'm doing here. Because each line is have a glue on the side, so you just peel it up and put it on. So you can see it's right here. It's so strong. I cannot even take it out after I put the glue on. So you just need to peel it up and put it on here, and one by one. So, and then after that, if you want to have the nail on to make sure it's covered for the glue. So I also put some like tablet here, you see, and then it will cover it. But I think the glue is so good. And also I received so many questions about that, you guys, like how to install it, like where to put the light on. So technically this is the light, the LED light. So it's will going down and it's so on the wall. So the recommendation is to put the light bit like next to the wall, but I think it's between like 1 or 2 inches. It depends on your surface. But right here I put it around like 1 inches between here and to the wall. Then in the night when the light go down, it will show on the wall. It will be very beautiful. Yes, it's so easy to do it. One more thing to make the installation so easy is this packet like 100 feet, but it's come with like 6 string. Then it can connect together. So when you install, you can like unplug it and install 8 string, and then you plug it in, connect them together, and make the installation so easy. At the end of the line is also have the connection. So I think if we buy more, like one more set, it can be connect them to make it like 200 feet. So this is what I have done around my house. As you can see, it's at the night time is very beautiful. Yeah, right here I put on under the gutter, and then this is patio, so that's why I put it on the side. Then it can go around here. Alright, this is how it looked at the night time. You see, it's so beautiful. Each light have a color, and when you put it correctly, it will show the color on the wall, on the poles. I have in my patio, so on this side I put it on this side, but on the other one I put it the other way. Then it's flashing into the roof. See? Yeah, I like it. So the light, the position of the light will depends on how far or close you put the light to the wall. So right here I put about like 1 or 2 inches and it's perfect position. Then the light can display on the wall. See, if you put too far, it will not see it in the wall. Alright, now let's see how the remote control can control this. So right now it's already on. Then I put the control over there, so let's see. Alright, I just turn it off and I turn it on again. Alright, it will come back with the last mode you put it on. So right here is like have an auto. So let's see how to change. Okay, it will go back to the previous mode and I will turn the mode on. Yeah. Alright, now let's change the other mode. Oh, it's like chasing. Okay, let me change to another mode. Alright, let's try. Ooh, faster. Alright, this is the mode. I can put it on auto again. Okay. So this is the mode, and later when I show you on the phone, I think when you press the mode like plus or minus here, it will go on the phone because you can control it on the app too. Ooh, beautiful. It's like rainbow. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how it can be controlled in the phone. So right here I have two Lumary. The first one is this is the permanent outdoor light, and I also have the other one, the Lumary Pathway Light Pro. This is so cool too, but now I'm gonna show you how to control it for the permanent light here. Alright, so for this one, when you can see it's like the mode, brightness, temperature, or the countdown. So this is just like a quick shortcut for you to quickly setting here. Alright, let's go inside. So this is the DIY. You see the DIY. This is the one that I love. So technically you can copy from any of the default mode here, and then you DIY by the color that you want. For example, right here I just like red and green, and I using the chase mode. Then it's like, and it also have a preview here as well. For example, I using this one, and DIY I turn up like this and I press the preview, then the light will change immediately. Okay, let's see. Alright, so this is for the DIY mode, and a lot of like preview mode for you for the color if you want. Or this can be like listen to the music and play the music as well. The one that I like it, this is you can control the timer. So this is during the holidays, then you can turn on it at a certain time and turn it off, or you can even put a countdown. The other thing that you can control on the phone is like you can control like each light with each color you want. I really like it because for example, the holiday is over and you cannot turn on the rainbow color every time. So probably you just need to turn on 1 or 2 or 3 light with the white light or yellow light. So this is how you do it. For example, right here is on bright, and you can put this one and you pick the color. For example, I pick the green, and for example, I can choose this one and I delete some light. It means I turn off this light. Alright, see? So just in case a normal day you don't want every light will on, you just turn on some light on. Okay, so now I just, let me see. Alright, for example, you see right here I just turn on these random. So alright, see, if I turn off this one, the last one will off. You see? Yeah, so for example, on a daytime normal, no holiday, you just turn some light on around your house. This will be perfect mode for you. Alright, so you can do everything on the phone and enjoy the light. See, it's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.